welcome to our online class. Student of class 9, you are mostly welcome. Last class we studied the irrational number in mathematics. Now in mathematics we study the real number and their decimal expansion. The real number, do you know? The rational and irrational number we can taken together is known as the real number. Last class I told you. Now their decimal expansion. Like that, suppose here 10 by 3, 7 by 8, these are our rational number. Our 10 by 3, 7 by 8 and 1 by 7 also, these are our rational number. Now what is their decimal number? Now here 10 divided by 3 suppose, means 3 3 is 9. This means remainder is the 1. Then put decimal, here 0, 3 3 is 9. Then put decimal here, means this number is the never finished. Their remainder never become the 0. Okay? So this value is the 10 by 3 equal to 10 by 3 equal to 3.3 bar. 3.3 bar. Why you can find the bar? Which number is repeat again and again and again, that we mention the bar. So it is known as the non-terminating repeating decimal. Non-terminating repeating decimal or non-terminating recurring decimal. Then suppose here we take the 7 by 8, means 7 divided by 8. Now we put 8 0 0. From the 7 put the decimal, here 0, 8 7 8 8 64. Here we take the 8 8 64. Okay. Now come 6 0, then 8 7 56. Now come the 4 0, 8 5 40. Okay. Now become division be finished, so our result become the 0.875. Where the our division become the finished, that is known as the terminating decimal. That is known as the terminating decimal. And here is the non-terminating repeating decimal. This type, if here we take the 1 by 7, means 1 divided by 7. Now 7 0 0. Take the 1 decimal, 7 more. Again 7 1 7. Coming the 3 0. 7 4 28. 2 0. 7 2 14. 6 0. 7 8 56. Then 4 0. 7 5 35. 5 0. Then 7 7 49. Again come the 1, means 7 0 again. It can be written like 0 in the 7 1. So after this come the 1 4 2 8 5 7. So this portion are the repeat, means 0.1428 second are repeat again and again. So this type of decimal expansion is known as the non-terminating recurring decimal. Okay. Now suppose we can coming from the rational to this decimal expansion. From the decimal expansion to how we come the rational number. Like that. Suppose here given 3.5. Now we can write the 35 by 10 is our rational number. Here 2.54. This means 254 by 100. Okay. But either this type, suppose 3.5 bar. Here the bar is nothing, means after decimal 1 digit present. But here you mind after the decimal in the 5 there the bar. Bar means infinite number of the 5 are here. Means 3.5555. How much 5 are present? We never count it. So how we can find their decimal expansion? Let's, in this case, let's x equal to 3.5 bar means x equal to 3.55 infinite number. Then every moment we take the 10 times after number can coming the before all the number coming from the back side of the decimal to front side means we take the 10x is the 35.55 means we mark here the 5 is present after decimal, so 5 is coming. So all the digits can be coming. Number of times can be 5 are repeat, then nothing counted. Okay. So here after decimal 1 digit are present, so we subtract from 10x to 1 digit number is the x. 10x minus x equal to 10x value is the 35.55 dot minus x value is the 3.55. After here you take 10x minus x, 9x, 35 minus 3 you can take, and after the decimal or the decimal part when the subtract become the 0. So 35 minus 3 is the 32. So x is equal to 32 by 9. It is our rational number. This time suppose another number is the 0.32 bar. 0.32 bar. This means let's x equal to 0.32, 32, 32, so on. But all these are not. How can be coming? Next we take 10 times. 10x, then 3.2, 32, 32 this time. So all the digits are coming, student? No. Another one digit are the remaining here. Now we take the 10 times of the 10x. 10 times of 10x is the 100x. Now 32.3232. So all digits are the come. But how many digits here? Here is the not 2 digit, 1 digit. Due to this bar you can mind it, bind it. So it becomes the 1 digit. So 100x minus 1 digit value the x. This means 32.32, sorry, 32 dot minus their x value is the 0.32 dot. This means 99x equal to 32 minus 0 is the 32. So x is equal to 32 by 99. Okay, this is our from the decimal expansion and they are rational number. Now suppose another one number this type here given 2.432. Here in 32 is the bar. Okay, let's we take x equal to 2.43232 this time. Then 10x 24.3232. All the digits are coming? Nothing. Then another 2 digits are remaining here. Then we take the 10 times of the 10x is the 100x. 24, 3.23232. All the digits coming? Nothing. Then remaining 1 digit. Now we take the 10 times of the 100x is the 1000x equal to 2432.3232. So all digits are coming. Now how many digits here? They are the 2 digits. 4 is the separate one and 32 is the one due to bind the 32. So 2 digit number here is the 10. So from the 1000x we subtract the 10x equal to 2432.3232 dot minus 10 value is the 24.3232. This type then the 990x equal to after 2432 to minus 24. 12 minus 4 8 to 0 this much, then x equal to 2408 by 990. This is our rational number. So this type you can be find. Then here we know the irrational number. Now we find the irrational number between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7. Now find the irrational number in between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7. How we can find the irrational number between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7? 1 by 7, now we can find 1 by 7 means 1 divided by 7. Now sometime before we can find their value. 7 0 is 0, 1.10, 7 1 is 7, 3 0, 7 4 is 28, then 4 2 0, 2 0, 7 2 is 14, then 6 0, 7 8 is 56, 4 0, 7 5 is 35, 5 0, 7 7 is 49. Means this much can be repeat. 1 by 7 equal to 0.142857. This can be repeat. So this type 2 by 7. This means 2 into 1 by 7. Means 2 into 0.142857. Now bar 2 can multiply 2 7 is 14, 2 5 is 10 1 11, 2 8 is 16 1 17, 2 2 is 4 1 5, 2 4 is 8, 2 1 is 2. Means 0.285714. You will find three rational number between this and this number. Means 0.142857 and 0.285714. In between, how much number you can find out? So you can write 3 only. 0.142858, 0.142859, 0.142860. Okay, your exercise cover 1.3.